where Pisces and Aquarius, we don't go together. Because as an Aquarius, we cannot just open like that just to open. It doesn't work like that.
You better know who you are. You better know who you are. As you come this life alone, now so you go leave this life alone. You better know who you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bevelyn and this is my YouTube, Enhanced by Bev. Ta-da! Welcome. So today we're going to be talking about zodiac signs again. And remember, I started the series with saying Remember, I started this series by talking about my own zodiac sign, which is Aquarius. So today we're going to go to the next after Aquarius. Actually, Aquarius is one of the last, Aquarius and Pisces is the last. But since I started with Aquarius, I thought, okay, you know what? I'm just going to take the last part, which is Pisces, and then we're going to start over. So after Pisces, we're going to be taking Aries. But today, we are just doing Pisces. Are you ready? Are you ready? So, are you ready? So, again, we're talking about horoscopes, right? So, first of all, Pisces. I think it's pronounced Pisces, but I'm not sure. And Pisces, first of all, the element is water. And it says the date range. So if you don't know what your zodiac sign is, so listen very carefully. If your date of birth is inside this, I want to say now. Okay, so we have the date range is February 19th till March 20th. You got that? February 19 till March 20. Okay, so that is the date range. And Pisces traits. Okay, we're going to talk about it. We're not going to really talk like it. Sorry about the noise. Even though I try to record late, still, I can't do much. Okay, so again, if you guys have watched from the beginning, you do know that I'm not saying these results 100%. I do believe it too. I do believe on it to an extent, and I don't want to explain too much because it's already on that video. So I'm going to put it up so you know what video to go to. Okay. So, anyways, let's go for this. Okay. So their strengths. What are the strengths? They are compassionate, artistic, intuitive, gentle, wise, and musical. Now, if you are Pisces, please let me know if this, if you can relate to anything I'm saying. If you're not Pisces and you know anyone that is Pisces, still let me know on the comment section. Okay, if it makes sense a little, okay. So they are gentle, wise, and musical. Their weakness is they can be fearful, overly trusting, sad, desire to escape reality, can be a victim or a martyr. Okay. Their likes. They like being alone, sleeping, music, romance, visual media, swimming, and spiritual themes. Their dislikes are know-it-all, being criticized, the past coming back to haunt, cruelty of any kind. Pisces are very friendly, so they often find themselves in the company of very different people. Pisces are selfless. They are always willing to help others without hoping to get anything back. Pisces is a water sign. As such, this zodiac sign is characterized by empathy and expressed emotional capacity. Is this true? People born under the Pisces sign have an intuitive, they have an understanding of the life cycle, and they achieve the best emotional relationship with other beings. Emotional relationship, are you kidding me? Like, I actually tried a relationship with a Pisces, okay? And I don't know about that, okay? Pisces born are known by their wisdom, but under the influence of something, Pisces sometimes can take the role of something in order to catch the attention. Pisces are never judgmental, always forgiving. They are also known to be the most tolerant of all zodiac signs. Are you kidding me? Waiting. Anyway, maybe they're tolerant. I only know one person that is Pisces. You know, it broke my heart. Let's go. Okay. Pisces, love and sex. Deep in their hearts, Pisces born are romantics. They are very loyal, gentle, and unconditionally generous to their parents. Pisces are passionate lovers who have a need to feel a real connection with their partners. Short-term relationships and adventures are not peculiar to the zodiac sign. In love and relationship, they are blindly loyal and very caring. Blindly waiting. Loyal waiting. Okay. Anyway, let me not say too much because I've only met one, and to be honest, he was a nice guy. I won't lie, he was a nice guy. He was emotionally I felt he was emotionally intelligent, or emotionally matured. I don't know which word to use. And actually I felt really good, the time we spoke, and we're trying to find something, and then it went the other way around. For some reason, men, you choose to think with your third leg. It's not good. It's not good when you got a girl like me. You cannot keep that thing between your legs. Why? Why? Anyways, let's continue. Okay, Pisces friends and family. Gentle and caring, Pisces can be the best friends that may exist. In fact, they often put the needs of their friends in front of their needs. They are loyal, devoted, compassionate, and whenever there is some problem in the family or amongst friends, they will do their best to resolve it. And Pisces can sense if something is wrong even before it happens. Pisces are expressive, and they will not hesitate to express their feelings to the people around them. They expect others to be open to them as they are. Communication with loved ones is very important to them. It should be important to everybody, but I get the point. Career and money. I'm going to just browse through this thing so it doesn't take too much of a time. Pisces feel best in a position where their creative skills will come to fore. Even better if it's for charity. Occupations that fit Pisces are lawyers, architects. Hey God, Danish has spoiled my English. I slapped myself. Musician, social worker, and game designer. Designed by the need to make changes in the lives of others, they are willing to help even if that means to go beyond boundaries. This zodiac sign is compassionate, hard-working, dedicated, and reliable. I can rely my heart to him. I can rely. You know what I mean. Pisces born can be great at solving problems. For the most part, Pisces don't give money too much thought. Okay. The guy I knew, he gave money thoughts. They are usually more focused on their dreams and goals, but they will try to make enough money to achieve their goals. Okay, that makes sense. In this area, there can be two sides of the Pisces. On one hand, they will spend a lot of money with little thoughts, while on the other hand, they can become quite stingy. Okay? Yet, in the end, there will always be enough money for a normal life. So, do you want to know how to attract a Pisces man? Let's see. Okay? And if you are dating a Pisces man, or if you are a Pisces man, let us know if this will work for you or not. You understand? It can be that it will not work for you. We don't know. Me, I didn't read my own out, so that I can't so that you people will not be shooting your shots just because I told you what to do. So now, since I'm not Pisces, I'm not dating Pisces. I don't even know any. Okay, I only know one Pisces. So let me read how to attract a man that is Pisces. Okay, romance. First of all, how to attract him? Is it not just to give him the coochie? Because last, anyways, let's see. Romance, not romance. Sorry, romance. There's a difference. There's a difference between romance and romance. This is romance. Okay. Romance rules the world of the Pisces men. The man born under the Pisces astrology sign lives to please and to love. The best way to seduce a Pisces man is to open up to him completely. And this is where Pisces and Aquarius, we don't go together. Because as an Aquarius, we cannot just open like that, just to open. It doesn't work like that. And for a Pisces, they believe that you should just open to open. It doesn't work like that. We cannot. You cannot be showing me poto and then you are telling me that there's milk under the poto as an Aquarius. No, I have to see the milk before I jump inside. Don't tell me to jump into that poto when I'm saying poto. You say when I enter inside, there will be milk. Which kind of milk? Anyways, that's by the way. I told you guys we're not going to talk about Aquarius. Okay, some of the best Pisces traits are his sensitivity, compassion, and kindness. He is a gentle person who will figure out what he wants and then serve it up as often as possible. He's always looking for ways to help others and knows exactly what you want almost before you do. His desires to please himself leaves him to manipulation and lies. No, that one I didn't get. He will use his wild imagination to please you. The Pisces man loves to laugh, so if he finds you funny and easy to be around, you are a good way to seduce him. You are on a good way to seduce. English with all this light, I'm not the sea road. He seems calm on the outside, but on the inside, he will find a different person. You will find a different person as the Pisces man battles between strong emotions. Encourage him to open up and release those feelings. Aquarius will not get time for this one. If you want to open your feeling, you open. If you don't want to open it, you rest. You see why we can't go together? Okay. So if you are dating a Pisces man, you can look forward to an emotional, fulfilling relationship. That's too cheesy for me, Joe. How to attract the Pisces woman. If you're a Pisces woman, please let us know if this one, it has to do with you. Pisces women are known as kind, imaginative, compassionate, selfless, and extremely sensitive individuals. If you want to attract the woman born under the Pisces zodiac sign, you need to be romantic, to have a good sense of humor. It is also important to be a good listener. In general, any woman, but anyways, a good listener to a Pisces. The Pisces personality is passionate and full of unconditional love. Once you have captured her attention, she will be quick to open to you. A sex with the Pisces woman will be explosive and you will never be bored with her in the bedroom. The woman under the Pisces star sign enjoys lively discussions about spiritual things and the supernatural. She will quickly figure out if all you are looking at or looking for is sex. She wants to be treated with respect and will never be able to you will never be able to seduce her fully during the first few dates. If you're honest and if you're open to her, she will immediately feel more connected with you. The Pisces woman is very sensitive. By nature, no, sorry. I took break before I was supposed to take break. We'll take it again. The Pisces woman is very sensitive by nature. So she is not quick to forgive and forget. If her heart has been wounded in the past, she will have a hard time opening herself up to the thought of a new romantic relationship. To cut the story short, don't break a Pisces woman's heart, okay? To be hard for her to move on, to trust another person again, okay? Don't do that, okay? So that was it today. That is Pisces. Did I tell you guys what was your element color though? Your color is two colors that I don't know anything about, and mauve and okay, lilac I know, but the other one mauve, MAUVE. What color is that? I don't understand. They didn't teach us any color. They didn't teach us in primary school. I don't know it. I keep on telling people I don't know it. If they didn't teach us in primary school, I don't know it. So MAUVE, I don't know what that is. Then another color they also like, or that is their color, is lilac, purple, violet, and sea green. I'm sorry, I didn't know all these colors before I did this makeup look. I would have, made something like this. But it's alright. It's alright. It was alright. So that is it for Pisces today. Thank you so much for watching. As I said before, if you're a Pisces man and you can relate to this stuff, let me know. If you are a Pisces, wait, did I read Friends and Family? That's Love and Sex, Friends and Family. Okay, I did. Career and Money, Attract. Okay, cool. Sorry. Okay, I start again. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Today, we spoke about Pisces. Next time, we're going to be talking about Aries. Aries, I don't know. ARIES. So no matter, depending on what continent you are from, at least if I spell it, you know what it is. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it well. And to you guys that don't know me, I live in Denmark. My name is Bevlin. I live in Denmark, and my English is messed up because we speak Danish here, okay? I am sorry for that. You guys will just have to bear with me. So thank you so much for watching. And if you've not liked this video since you will be watching it, you cannot just be enjoying the fruit of my labor. Press the like button. Thank you very much. Okay? Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. And comment if you have something to comment. Please, friends, don't come and comment to me privately. If you have anything to say about this YouTube, put it here. I'm not fear. I'm not share. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.
You better know who you are.